All right, guys, we're going to be talking about the Euro New Zealand now. Euro New Zealand. Um, Once again, if you're going to be trading, these pairs are extremely volatile. They require bigger stop loss. As a matter of fact, I would not recommend these pairs for the people that are beginning to trade, and it's just the volatility on these pairs. You got to get to know the personality first of all. That's the first part. And they just require a little bit more experience on these, in my opinion, guys. And I'd probably recommend you guys starting with the dollar pairs, and then if you guys feel comfortable, then you could start moving on towards the yens, and then maybe the cross pairs. Same thing, guys. The purple zones are my monthly support and resistance. The weeklies are my red zones. Um, they don't. Once again, once we get to these cross pairs, they don't necessarily respect them. And like, look here. I mean, that guy wiped out. Really, I mean, look. I mean, it's just you got to be really careful when you trade these pairs. Um, so, and the reason I'm bringing this pair up right now is because there's a game plan that I have here for this one, and I like it, and that's why I'm going to share it with you guys right now. Um, and so right now we are in daily supply. Uh, on the upper trend of the curve, we are in a higher time frame weekly, and then we are in daily supply. Um, and then that's the level of interest. Here, let's go ahead and break it down to the 4 hour. And then, so what does that mean? It's just okay. Yeah, where are you going to take it? If you guys decide to take it, just know that you require about 180, even to maybe even a 200 pip stop loss. It's just not. These are not the pairs actually to do that with. Um, this is going to be more like a day trade for me, guys. And this is what you want to see if you're going to be day trading this. You see how we came up to the level, and then we're creating your rally, your base, your drop, your base, your drop, came back up to retest that level. So um, if you're not already short on this one, I'm not short. I'm just pretty much full disclaimer. I'm not short on it yet. I just happened to stumble across this pair, and because I'm not short on it, now I need to wait for the break of this 81 level, and then take it short. For the people that want to see it more on the 2 hour, well, you got to wait for this 2 hour candle to close and then still break the 81 level for you to go ahead and take the short. There's just different ways how to take this one, but the fact that we're in upper higher time frame supply and we came into an opposing resistance level, I like that. Okay, my next level of importance for me on this one is pretty much all the way down here towards your big 180 level. Your big 180 level, even your 180.50. By the way, here I forgot to actually write this level down because your 180, your 80.50 should have been. Um, Maybe I wrote it down in my other charts, but this 80.50 is a level of importance for me. So that's how I'll take this towards the 80.50, and that's that. And then the next level would be your 80. That's your 79.75 area. But I'll just keep on. I'll just keep on um, pretty much adding on. If I'm already going to build the position at the 81 level, I'm just going to be adding on, depending how I see. Because once I get like more of a hesitation, and I know that, you know what, there could be a strong chance that I could pull up, then I'll get out. But if I start seeing that you know what, it's pulling down, and that's not giving, like, you see how right here it just kept on pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. It really never gave you this is what I mean. It never really gave you your basing, right? Your hesitation. It never really gave you that, right? This was pretty much a nice, strong trend towards the upside. Once they start seeing this, and this is what we really want to see. You see that here, the hesitation, where it's just hesitating. That's what we want to see here. Maybe even if you break it down to the 2 hour, we want to see that. Once we see that, you get the break, man, you got a nice run. You got a nice run to the downside. So that's pretty much why I wanted to share this one, because it looks like it does have potential. Well, what if, and then the next plan is that, well, what if we actually break towards, if it just keeps on breaking towards the upside, I'm not interested. At that point, I'm not interested because I already know I'm hitting higher time frame supply. But even if you decide to do that, I have your next level of interest, which would be right around your 85.95, 86 level. That's the level of support resistance, and just pretty much a lot of things, a lot of levels within that area. Um, and But other than that, I'm not interested if it keeps on going up. Only if only if it just keeps on pulling down, then I'm interested on this pair. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for the year New Zealand. I'll see you guys on the next pair.